In this video, we're going to go through the bulk void function through the appointment list screen in the DaySmart Salon program. This feature might be useful if somebody were to call in or leave early and you wanted to void all of the appointments off of their appointment book. So if you look right here, I have a full appointment book. Some of them are checked out and some of them are still yet to be checked out. I would navigate over here to the appointment list screen, and that's going to pull up a list of all of the appointments. Now, from this screen, you can actually filter through and just show one employee's, right? You can also filter through and show just the closed transactions, depending on what specifically you're trying to void. I'm going to go ahead and set it back to all employees, and I'll go ahead and set it back to all appointments. And then over here, there's a checkbox next to each one. I can check off the ones that I want to void, one by one, like so. Or I can actually check this box and check all of them off. You'll notice the first one is a canceled transaction. That cannot be voided. So once I select all of the appointments that I want to void, I would hit Void Selected Appointments right here on the right-hand side. It's going to want a reason. I'll give it a reason here. So we'll say left early, and we'll go ahead and hit Void to void those transactions off of the appointment book. And there we go. Awesome. Now, I'm actually going to jump back for a second because you might not want all of the employees to have access to this. So in order to restrict access, you can actually restrict that through the employee access levels in the program. Let me navigate you to that screen and show you what that's like. So I'm going to click on More. I'm going to go down here to Options. And then it's going to pull up my options on the left-hand side. I'm going to go into Management and go to Employee Access. And I will click on this button that says Set Up Employee Access. If you've never visited this screen before, this is the screen where you can limit what functions and screens the employees will have access to. For our example, I'm going to click on Appointments, and then I'm going to scroll down here to where it has Void Closed Ticket and Void Open Ticket. If you wanted to restrict access, you would just do this and click that little green check mark into the red X to restrict access from those employees. And then, once you've made all the necessary changes to this screen, go ahead and hit Save here. And we went ahead and restricted access for those employees from voiding appointments out of the appointment book. Thank you so much for viewing this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope that you have a very great day. Bye now.